So I've got another winning trade here on today's non-farm payroll news, and this is like around one, two, three, four, five, fifth winning trade in a row. So I'm still back testing on it. So hopefully by next week, I'm going to give you the full plan, full strategy, how to enter these trade using our non-farm payroll news and what are the exact stops and target for that, how to enter and when not to enter. So stay tuned for that. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss this awesome strategy coming to your way very soon. So let's start our analysis with natural gas, crude oil, gold, and silver today right here. So what do we have here? So if you remember my yesterday's video, guys, I was getting message when we had a break and close above 50 EMA, and I've clearly said in my previous video that look for two candle close and then a pullback to take long trades for a natural gas. If we do not get a close above, if the market pulls back down, not two candle closes above and pulls back down, then we can expect a retest of this zone again. So if you're still confused, please rewind, go back and check the video again. I'll put the link up there. So I've clearly said that. So please guys, do not get panic once you see a break and close. So it's only one candle broke and close above 50 EMA, and as you can see, I've also said that after that we can expect a push down. So that is why I always say to extra confirmation we need to see two candle closes above 50 EMA. So right now, as you can see, we market pushed up, only one candle closed above 50 EMA, and then we got an engulfing candle, and then we had a hit of retest of this zone right here. So according to this candle, if you know how I trade and if you have been following me from last couple of months, then you know this was my entry, and around according to that 26, my target is 26 right here. So something like this. So this is my target. I expect market to hit right here 7.938. So we got this condition here on currency.com data. According to that, I'm expecting market to hit this green zone, this full take profit. So what to expect after that? So once my take profit is hit, I normally look for another green candle, then I look for another at least two red candles, and then I look for a bullish engulfing candle. Once I get that, then I look for another long trade. So let me show you an example of that. Once we are in between the zones right here, the example is not really far above. As you can see, the market broke above this zone. We had more than two candles, and then we had a pullback of two red candles, and we have this engulfing candle, and market pushed up to this zone. So this is how you take your entries once you are between your demand and supply zones, support and resistance zone. So now once my take profit hit, I will not hold my position and hoping that the market will hit this ink zone, this red zone. I will exit my position. I will look for a next opportunity. This is how you can take your trades and exit your trades. So make sure once you have a hit, take profit hit, the next entry I will look for is a pullback followed by an engulfing pattern. And now as we have a close above 50 EMA, this is first candle close above, and now we have the second candle close above. Once we have this fully close above this 4-hour candle, then I expect a market still hit red zone. Right here on Oanda, as you can see, market didn't close above 50 EMA. Only one candle closes above 50 EMA. We had bearish candle, market pushed back down. We had a pullback, market again pushing up. And now I want to see another candle close above 50 EMA. We only have one candle close yet. This will be our second candle. And once we have this close, then I will look for a pullback with a bullish engulfing candle and expect a market to hit 8.541. Of course, once we have a bullish engulfing candle, I will look for a 180R target first, something like this. This is a pattern I look for. Once the market break above the support zone, then we have a pullback and it's just engulfing candle, and looking at that 180 target here. So once our target hit, I will exit my trade and look for the next entry reason. So that's how you take your entries. And now I expect once our target is hit, I expect market to push up to this red zone, from where I will look for my selling trades from. Right here on silver, as per my yesterday's video, I was expecting silver to hit this target that has been hit successfully on this engulfing pattern. You can see we have a nice engulfing pattern as well. So looking at the ATR with this engulfing pattern, we can expect a silver to push down to 2117. And right here and now on this engulfing and this inverted hammer or a pin bar shooting star candle right here, our target has been hit. Now I will still go for sell trades with a pullback, and I will still look for selling opportunities until market hit 1947. So silver is bearish at the moment, not going buy until we break and close above 22.12, from where I will look for my buying trades. We can get retest of this zone with a bearish candle as well again. So my bias for silver is still bearish. So on gold, if you remember yesterday, our take profit has been hit. We got a nice bounce and take profit has been hit out of this bounce, and now we are below this support zone, which will now turn into resistance. So now once we have the second candle close, I will look for a retest and bearish candle to take my short trades 180R target. Now next support is 1776. From once we have a hit of this zone, I will look for my engulfing or my double bottom entry back towards the next zone. Okay, right now on crude oil market did hit our zone, almost hit our zone. So right now we do not have any sort of entry condition here. We can still get a push up and we can still get a bearish entry condition from here. So right now we are above 50 EMA. We can still get some push out of crude oil in between this red zone, which is 107.69, goes up to 111.431. So still you can still see a push up from crude oil, or if we have a break and close below 50 EMA with this good engulfing candle, then I will expect a push down. But as we are above 50 EMA, we will expect a market to push up further. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care.